How to save edited settings as a custom preset. First of all, open the Lightroom app on your device and select a photo you want to edit. Make all the adjustments you like, including exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation and color grading until the photo looks perfect. Once you are happy with your edits, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, then select Create Preset. Give your Lightroom preset a unique name so you can easily recognize it later. You can also choose a preset group to organize your presets and check or uncheck the adjustments you want to save. After tapping the tick button in the top right, your custom Lightroom preset is now ready to use on any photo. Now you know how to save edited settings as a custom Lightroom preset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.